Hi, my name is Sunil Fernandez and I'm here to do a quick market roundup and tell you what happened in the stock markets today. It was a topsy-turvy day today with the markets beginning in the green, going back into the red and then ending the day almost flat. So really it was another volatile session and the markets were all over the place, but the volatility was comparatively less than we've seen on other days. So it moved between losses and gains and ultimately ended the day flat. So the Nifty gained about 7 points to end the day at 10,458 points, while the Sensex ended the day 62 points higher at 35,697 points. Let's tell you the stocks that really gained in trade today. The one stock that really supported the market today was Reliance Industries. Remember, it fell almost 12 to 13% on Monday. Yesterday, of course, was Tuesday. There was no trading on account of holiday. But today, Reliance did manage to recover partially some of those losses and was up almost 3.5% when trade closed. So Reliance Industries is a heavyweight, and when it goes up, it tends to support the market, and probably this is what happened in trade today. Another stock that really gained today was Yes Bank, a staggering 35% up in trade for that stock, and with that, it's gained almost 63 to 70% in two trading sessions. So that's a very big amount to gain in just two trading sessions. The RBI, as we know, is working along with SBI to ensure that the bank is up on its feet. The RBI will provide liquidity as far as possible so that the moratorium can be lifted, and SBI, of course, will be along with a few others, will be pumping in capital into the bank to resurrect the bank. So that's good news for SBI shareholders as well as deposit holders. Probably there are reports that the moratorium on Yes Bank may be lifted as early as this week, as against the outer limit of April 3rd that was set earlier. So Yes Bank had a great day in trade today. Among the other stocks that gained in trade today was Z Entertainment, Bharti Infrachal, Coal India, and Hero MotoCorp. Now, Coal India gained a very good 6.36%, and largely the jump in Coal India had to do with a board meeting that is to be held tomorrow to declare dividend. Now remember, Coal India, the investors buy into the stock largely because of its dividend. Now, dividends until March 31st, 2020 are tax-free in the hands of investors. The board is slated to meet tomorrow to declare dividend, and investors are looking at a 13, 14, 15 rupees per share as dividend. So your yields would be a good 7.5% at the current market price. So that's one of the reasons why Coal India jumped in trade today. One of the stocks that really fell today, GAIL hit a new 52-week low and dropped to end the day at 90.50. This is a solid fall from levels of 120, 125 that we saw a few months ago. Tata Steel was another loser. The stock dipped almost 7% in trade and fell below that 300 level mark. Again, Tata Motors, IndusInd Bank, BPCL, all were losers. In fact, oil marketing stocks like BPCL, HPCL, and IOC lost ground in trade today, largely on account of some gains in crude oil. But really the story today was IndusInd Bank. It's fallen continuously for the last few trading sessions, and today again it was at a 52-week low. It's been constantly falling. In fact, until a few weeks ago, the stock was trading at 1,200, 1,300 rupees, and is today down to about 853 rupees. That's again a new 52-week low. In fact, a whole lot of stocks fell to 52-week lows today, including GAIL, IndusInd Bank, PNB Housing Finance. That stock slipped to 52-week low. We had TCS dropping to 52-week low. So a host of stocks fell to 52-week low, but only recovered later during the day. So there was some amount of buying that was more broad-based in the markets today. Let's tell you what's happening in the European markets. The Bank of England has cut interest rates, so that's good news for the markets there. This has come on the back of worries over growth, economic growth fears following the coronavirus infections. This is the second central bank after the US Federal Reserve to cut interest rates. We remember the US Federal Reserve cut interest rates by almost 0.50%, and this is now followed by the Bank of England. This to some extent helped stocks across Europe rally. So the German DAX, the French CAC, the UK's FTSE were all higher in trade thanks to a cut from the Bank of England. In Asia, stocks ended lower, and the US Dow futures are pointing to lower openings by at least 2%. So the US markets are likely to open soft in trade today. That's all from me for now, and we look forward to being back tomorrow. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you so much.